Gage is dipping a wheel and he dipped it back out again. Smith will stage second. Reaction time, 005 for Gage Herrera. Past the 8th mile. Does Smith have anything to answer with? No, he does not. 6,777, 198.9 miles an hour. And once again, high, wide, and handsome. There's Gage Herrera. Car wins I've seen in my life.
And we'll go ahead and give Gage his assets from winning here in Chicago. The winner's hat, the winner's medal. We'll get the milestone Wally into the hands. You'll see that it's silver today for the 30th race here in Chicago. And Gage, man, just the tension between you and Matt. You just told me that was purposeful up at the starting line. Why?
Maybe sitting next to him
it's fun. You know, me and Matt both are very tough competitors, and we're good on the tree.
I mean,
his dad's Tricky Ricky, and Matt's just like him.
Such a future here,
I'm just going to show.
I'm enjoying my time while I got it.
We're trying to make class fun. You know, me and him both are really tough on the tree, and we're good with mind games, I should say. You know, whether or not I mess with them or not, or vice versa. But I mean, I had a 005 to his 24, so I didn't throw him off too bad. But his Revs are the Motul, Suzuki, Vance Hines, you know, it came out on top, and I can't thank all Andrew and all the guys back in the shop enough. My crew guy Jay, you know, Ray, all of them. But it ain't too bad for a rental bike. So whoever rents that thing, they got a fast hot rod.
Hanging out
It's
with
the
the
25th anniversary show. Then that Wally
texted me before the finally said good luck. He also wished Austin good luck. We got to win for them. For
Gage is dipping a wheel and he dipped it back out again. Smith will stage second.
John Force Motorsport. This is just the greatest feeling.
Reaction time, 005 for Gage Herrera. Past the 8th mile. Does Smith have anything to answer with? No, he does not. 6,777.